In this lesson, we are finding the roots of a quadratic equation. A quadratic has the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. On the graph, the roots are the x values where the parabola crosses the x-axis. These crossing points are important because they are the solutions to the equation. To build the quadratic formula, we start with ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Divide everything by a, move the constant term to the other side, and complete the square. After simplifying, every quadratic equation follows one powerful formula. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. The expression under the square root is called the discriminant. If the discriminant is positive, the quadratic has two real roots. If it is 0, the quadratic has one repeated real root. If it is negative, there are no real roots because we would be taking the square root of a negative number. Example 1. Solve x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Here a is 1, b is negative 5, and c is 6. Substitute those values into the quadratic formula. The discriminant becomes 25 minus 24, which is 1. So x equals 5 plus or minus 1 divided by 2. That gives x equals 3 or x equals 2. Example 2. Solve x squared plus 4x plus 1 equals 0. Here a is 1, b is 4, and c is 1. Substitute into the formula again. The discriminant is 16 minus 4, which is 12. The square root of 12 simplifies to 2 square root 3. After dividing by 2, the roots are x equals negative 2 plus or minus square root 3. To find quadratic roots with the formula, identify a, b, and c carefully. Substitute them into the formula, simplify the discriminant, and then simplify the two possible answers. Move slowly through the arithmetic, especially with negative values of b.